I meant to warn you, but
Oh man.
I thought you'd cut in earlier. So.
No.
Oh.
I was like, I'm gonna follow these trails.
Yeah, I thought Cody would have had a nice trail laid out for us.
Oh fuck.
Oh, we didn't carve it hard enough. This is insane. Okay. Oh. Get me out of here.
Sweet Jesus, dude.